Chicago, nigga.
Tried calling y'all by name, but shit, it wasn't
What you say about me?
nothing, man. Just talking shit.
You my name. In the street? My name is my name.
Thanks, mailbox. We just got a letter. 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 Wonder who it's from?
Hello. Yep, we just got a letter. Alright, YouTube. Just got this in the mail, man. Small headlights, because my fog lights, they went out. I'm hoping it's just a bug, because they both went out along with my license plate lights. I fixed the license plate lights, though. I still don't know why they went out. Both of them at the same damn time. But anyway, got them. Got the terminal rings, so I can do the big 3 upgrade, which I'm about to do now. So y'all stay tuned real quick. All right, YouTube. I got the ends on them, on my 3 wires for my big 3 setup. So it's what, from the back of your alternator. Back of your alternator to your battery positive. From your battery negative, you make a ground, and then you make another ground from your battery negative to another ground. Me, I'm gonna do that one. Use this bolt, and I'm gonna do this bolt, because down on the frame, I'll get to that another. I mean, I might move it later on, but that's how I had the avalanche. And like I said, I ain't got no blinking lights, nothing like that, no humming. I'm just doing it for the hell of it. So let me go and knock that out, and then I'm gonna knock these headlights out. Hopefully the fog lights, I hope the bulbs just blown, because I done checked the fuses, relays, everything. And I need my fog lights, because I never ride with my headlights on, ever. It's always this strip, this light, and the fog lights, and it'd be bright enough. It'd be way bright. So I don't never have no problems, nobody pulling me over, nothing like that. So let me get back to it. Oh, and I ordered some more of these, because this one comes on, but it don't switch back no more. I don't know. I just know it comes on. So, all right, let me go and get to it. All right, YouTube, got the big 3 set up on here. Like I said, the power from the battery to your power on, positive on your battery to the positive on the back of your alternator, and the negative, a negative from your battery to the negative over here, and then another negative supposed to be to the frame. I just put both my negatives right there, say ground right there, so I just ground it right there. I ain't about to run it all the way down there. So here's what it is. Big 3. I don't know what the other one is. Oh yeah, big 3. Should have made this one shorter, but it is what it is. It'll work. So that's that. Alright then, YouTube. Here go the headlights and fog lights. I think they might be high beam, low beam, because I bought the kit. Like, they came in the kit. They was cheap, like fucking $20 or something for both. So it might not be the fog lights, but it don't even matter, because they going in the fog lights regardless. Because that's how I got them in there now. Well, had them in there. It's real headlights, not fog light bulbs. And the reason I'm changing them is because I blew this bulb out for some odd reason, man. It just blew out. So I gotta go and change that out. So y'all stay tuned. Okay, YouTube, we back at it. Got everything back working. This shit been like this for about a week, maybe even longer. But I knew the bulb was out. That was that problem. The fog lights, what the problem was, I don't know if y'all remember, I didn't have a harness on this side. I do believe it was this. Yeah, it had to be this side. On this side, I don't know what they did with it before. The people that had it before me, it's cut, gone. So I made a harness to run from that side to that side. And I don't know how it came loose, but the little crimp, it came loose somehow, and it still ain't explained how this one was off. But as soon as I connected back, this one was back on, and I just rewired it. Well, I took the old wire out and just re-ran new wires, so that's done. But on the other note, I end up cracking this goddamn housing. Let me see where it's at. Fuck, I can't even find it. Oh, right there. But it's all good. I'm about to push it up a little bit more, let the stuff cure. I got what is it called? Plastic weld. Say 5 minutes. But we shall see. I ain't really worried about that though. Cause I ain't really worried about that. I get that together. My main goal was them fog lights. Cause I don't ride, like I said, I don't be even riding with these lights, but when I had to, because those were out, I found out that bulb was out, so we good. And that's why it do work, I guess. So I don't know how the hell that shit just popped off the front of it. But alright then, YouTube. Time to clean up and do my thing to the doors. Next video, fam.